Welcome to my channel. How to set up any Wi-Fi router like a pro. Step 1. Unbox your router. Take your new Wi-Fi router out of the box. Make sure you have the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and setup guide. Step 2. Choose the best location. Place the router in the center of your home on a table or shelf. Keep it away from walls, metal objects, and large electronics for better Wi-Fi coverage. Step 3. Connect the Internet cable. Plug the Ethernet cable from your modem or Internet wall outlet into the router's WAN or Internet port. Step 4. Turn on the router. Connect the power adapter and switch on the router. Wait 2 to 3 minutes until the power and Internet lights become stable. Step 5. Connect your device. Use a smartphone, laptop, or tablet to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi name, SSID. You can also connect with an Ethernet cable for a stable setup. Step 6. Open the router settings. Open a web browser and enter the router's setup address, such as 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, or use the router's mobile app to begin setup. Step 7. Create your Wi-Fi network. Change the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and create a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 8. Secure the router. Change the default administrator password and enable WPA2 or WPA3 security to protect your home network. Step 9. Update the firmware. Check if a firmware update is available. Installing the latest update improves security, fixes bugs, and enhances performance. Step 10. Test your connection. Connect all your devices and test your internet speed. Walk around your home to make sure the Wi-Fi signal is strong in every room. Adjust the router's location if needed. Thank you for watching.